If you're fitting a shower tray, bath or basin and you're struggling for space, then this product could really be of help to you, the UniTrap. And I'm going to show you how it works now. What makes the UniTrap so universal? It fits basin, bath, shower tray and bidet wastes all alike, and it adapts to fit 1.5 and 1.25 solvent well pipe all in one pack. Now I'm going to show you how it fits onto a vanity basin and how you can save space. First of all, we need to identify what we're fitting the UniTrap to. In this case, it's a basin waste, which is 1.25 thread. So we use the UniTrap as it is. If it was a bath waste or a shower tray waste, which has a bigger thread, 1.5, we would need to remove the adapter in the UniTrap for the thread to fit onto it. In addition to that, we need to identify the pipe work that's going to come off of the UniTrap. As it's a basin waste, it will be 1.25 pipe. So we use the thick washer that's already in the unit. If we're using it on a bath or a shower tray, again, we remove the thicker washer and we put the smaller, thinner conical washer into play so that it seals onto that size pipe. So when installing the UniTrap, we need to ensure that when we're doing the trap up onto the thread, it's done nice and tightly to avoid water leakage. As do we need to make sure that the nut on the back end is done up tightly to ensure that there's no leaking water when the pipe's fitted. The reason the UniTrap saves so much space in a vanity unit or under a bath or shower tray is that it's actually a waterless trap. Inside is a rubber membrane that allows the water to flow away and stop smells coming back. Also, if your pipe doesn't go out through the wall and it goes down into the ground, you can simply remove the elbow from the UniTrap and take the pipe off of the waste straight down into the floor. It still works the same, whether it's vertical or horizontal. So the UniTrap is a cost-saving, space-saving product. If you would like to find out more about it, click on the link below and find your nearest stockist. Thanks for watching.